How to fix missing microphone on keyboard of Samsung phone. Let's say you want to send a message, but you want to use voice typing instead of typing manually. Now, if you're not getting the microphone icon anywhere, then in this video, I will guide you on how to fix that. The first thing you want to do is head over to your settings. For that, you can either tap on this gear icon over here to open up your settings directly, or you can also tap on the settings option. Then tap on general management, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now select the option of voice input. Here, you want to make sure you have selected either Samsung voice input or Google Voice Typing. You can select whichever option you prefer, but if you have selected none, then you're not going to get the microphone icon on your keyboard. So make sure you select either Samsung or Google Voice Typing. I'm going to select Samsung Voice Input. Once you select that, open up your keyboard again, and here you will find the microphone icon. You can simply tap on that. Now you can simply start to talk, and in this way the voice typing will be enabled. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.